workflow of the user's dashboard. So the user can add amount to his wallet. So and it's based on the payment gateway. So if the site owner is enabling Stripe at the back end, then he will have an option to add a card here. So when he is adding a Stripe card, he can use that card. So that will be registered once for all. He can anytime go and remove it. But with that registered card, he can make one-time payments as well as like recurring payments. Maybe if he wants to subscribe, he can do that. So right now, CZBill is set on the back end. So here you can see the site owner can toggle between Stripe and CZBill. If CZBill is enabled, if he wishes to add amount to his wallet or subscribe any particular user, he has to go through the CC bill payment form each and every time for that transaction, be it a recurring or a non-recurring transaction. So he needs to provide the test details. I mean, card details like first name, last name, address, etc. Right now, I'm giving the test details. In real time, the users would give real card numbers and details. So So I can save, copy and paste. I've copy and pasted the test card number, and clicking on place order will add amount. Now you can see thank you for the purchase. It has been approved. So which means that the amount is added successfully to this particular user's wallet. Same way you can subscribe by giving the card details. So that will be a recurring subscription. Recurring payment. This is one time payment, non recurring. And the user can also view the models that he has subscribed from here, the subscription list. So he can anytime go and cancel the subscription, activate the subscription. We have to know that the user is entitled to access the subscription until the expiry date, even if he cancels in the middle of the subscription. So suppose if there is a monthly subscription and user is going and canceling it, so he will be able to access it until the expiry date. So it will not be cancelled immediately, and anytime he can go and activate the subscription also, and he can also cancel the free subscription anytime in the free trial period. And coming to the home page, so the home page will list if any particular model is going live in this live video section. So if this user has already subscribed to the model, then he can very well get into the live stream directly. If the user has not subscribed to the model, he has to subscribe, and he has to then get to the live streaming access. So he can move to the live streaming page from here only, and also you can see the homepage feeds posted by the models feeds. Suppose if he is subscribed to a model or he is following a model, all those contents will be displayed in the homepage feeds for the user. The user can go and follow a model and unfollow a model on the platform, and this means that with one you can see that following unfollowing with a single clicking on the heart icon. So this means that if this particular model Kyla has posted any free contents, and if this particular user is following, it will be displayed in the home page for this user. So all her posts like free post will be displayed here. So when he is following, he can anytime go and unfollow a model on the platform. And also on the home page you can see the feeds and posted by different models. He can unlock if it's upon subscription, he has to subscribe to unlock the content. If it's pay per view or one time payment, he can unlock it with the amount designated for that particular content. So you can see all the feeds and posts here. So this is subscribe to unlock content. So subscribing to unlock will take to the CC bill page where he has to give all the card details and then go for the payment. So you can see this. Like we discussed, well, like we did the one-time purchase, the card has to be given and then subscribed by the user. And if it's a one-time payment, he can just already has an wallet amount, and then he can unlock. Say for example, this is $4.99. Clicking on unlock, he would actually unlock the content on the platform. And yeah, unlock this post for $4.99. This will be deducted from his wallet amount. So and then he can actually it says unlocked successfully. So $4.99 will be deducted from this particular user's wallet. You can also see that this will be detected. And you can see that in the suggestions page, we have the suggestions. Just give me a minute. I'll refresh the page. So in the suggestions page, we can see the suggestions of the models. So anytime the user can go and follow a model from here, and he can also go to the next page, and you can also refresh so that it will be displayed. Here is the footer, which will redirect to the home page, help and support. All these footer contents will be terms of service. Everything will be navigated from click here. And the user can actually send tips to the model, not only from this particular feed section, but also in general. So any model can be for any to send tips to any model. There is an option that says send tip, and the user can choose the amount and then send tip. So it will be detected from his wallet amount, and he can like a particular feed, he can comment it, and he can also report a particular feed if it's, and he can choose the title, whatever category that it belongs to. It's harassment or whatever category, and so this reported feed will be viewed by the site owner from the backend. And from the models page, clicking on any model, you can see here the send tips can be sent from here. The user can follow and unfollow model, send tip from here, chat with a particular model. So this chat will be enabled provided the user has subscribed to the model. If he has not subscribed, he cannot continue chatting with that model. He has to be a subscribed user in order to communicate and chat with this particular model on the platform. So it will say please subscribe to this model and start the. If he has already subscribed, then it will be available here. And the user can share media files, and he can chat with the models from here. So media files in the sense he can share only pictures for now. And coming to the models page, he can sort, and he can sort models who are presently live. So the model who is live will be shown first. So he can also sort models based on who is online, who's currently online. So it will say that it will have a green icon. So if to sort a model who's going live, it will show the models who are streaming live at the moment. If any model is streaming live, it will show them as streaming. So, and if it's oldest, so the old models who have been added for a long time ago will be displayed, will be sorted in that order. The latest models, the newly added models, like who are recent to this platform, will be sorted this way. And the popular models, so based on the likes, so this will be sorted based on the likes, sorry, based on the views. So it says 275 views, 133 views, 100 views, and so on. So uh, so it will be shown from the number of views that is popular. And there is also a keyword search. The user can search a model with a keyword like with a name or something, and this will be filtered. And there is also an advanced search option. So it can be with specific subscription or specific ages, specific eye colors, and other physical parameters present here. And coming to the message section, we discussed that it should be a subscribed, he should be a subscribed user in order to chat with the models. And if a model is streaming live, and the user must have subscribed to a model, and then only he can access it. If he has not subscribed, then he has to subscribe to her. And even if the model is subscribed, she may post a live streaming upon PayPal live streaming. So he has to unlock with so and so dollars in order to access our live streaming content. And this is edit profile. The user can edit his profile details, and such as email ID, the other details, and click on update profile. He can also bookmark his uh, any particular feeds, videos, galleries, products, also the models in the platform. So if he wants to, he can also do purchase physical products from models. So this is the feed. If you let's take model, and he can unlock videos contents from the model either through subscription or pay per view. So if you see this video content of this particular model, so it says $80. So this is like a one time payment. So clicking on this $80, you can unlock this content. Suppose if this is upon subscription, and if the user has not subscribed to the model, he has to subscribe, and then only he can watch the content, that is the video content posted by the model. The same way the galleries also, the galleries, let's take another model, say Hannah Stocking. If you view the galleries, so it will be either upon subscription or pay per view. So, like, see, this is going to be subscription because the rest other had money. So, this is subscribe to view full content. So, the user has to subscribe to her, and then only he can access this particular content. So, if it's a one time payment, he has to make that payment, and then he can go about unlocking it. And then coming to the products, so this each and every model would have posted physical products on the platform. Clicking on each model details on this product menu, it will display the products posted by her. It may be a physical product or a digital product. So he can click on this and he can purchase them. So he can it will always be on a single time purchase. So clicking on this, he can provide the quantity, the delivery address, and then he can enter the phone number and comments, if any, and then he can click on confirm purchase for $1. So if the order is in state processing, if the order is still in the state processing, he can anytime go and change his delivery address. So he can add a new address. Suppose if he comes to know that he is going to relocate or he is not going to be available in that address, he can go and change his address and update. So that will be reflected for the model as well as the site owner. And if in order to track his order, he can go to the order history. So he can see that these are the delivery statuses. So one is processing, shipped, delivered, and refunded. So if something is refunded by the model and or the site owner, he will be credited with so and so dollars. Suppose this particular order is refunded to this particular user, he would have been credited with $19. So right now this is in processing. Shipping means it's shipping, and if it's delivered, it will be in the status delivered. So this way he can track his orders. For digital products, once he has paid for it, it is for him, and he can use it. There is no refund for the digital product. And the payment history of the user will show all the payments that he has done, maybe a wallet purchase or a monthly subscription or an early subscription or a free subscription. He can also filter the status, if it's created, processing, if the payment is failed or successed or cancelled, he can filter them. And this is wallet transactions. So the wallet transactions will have all these types. So the user will use wallet to unlock post galleries, content, post galleries, products, videos. So suppose if he's tipping a model on the platform, if it's a paid streaming, or if it's on this live streaming, if he's tipping a model, that will all be under the wallet transactions. This user can filter any specific category. Also, he can also filter by models. With this particular model, how much transaction that he has made on the platform, or he can also filter by the start date and expiry date, and he can view them. So again, I think this is bookmarks. So bookmarks, the user can bookmark any feeds, videos, galleries, even models can be bookmarked here. So the bookmark section will contain all these things. So from the home page or in the models page, you can go and bookmark anything he wants so that he can view it later. So this is the bookmark icon. So any feeds or galleries or any videos or even the models or products can be bookmarked and viewed later by the user. Let's see how a user can subscribe to a model on a platform. So the user can subscribe to a model based on the site owner's payment gateway selection. If the site owner is following CC bill, then he can subscribe to a model through CC bill payment gateway, or if the Stripe is chosen by the site owner, so then he has to add a card from his profile, and then he can choose any particular model, and he can click on that particular model, and he can directly subscribe. So since the card is already added, he can do a free subscription followed for so and so days, followed by a monthly subscription, or he can do a direct monthly subscription and early subscription. So suppose if the user is clicking on subscribe for a monthly subscription, click on subscribe, then the payment will happen, and the user will successfully subscribe to that particular model. And in the earnings payment history, you can see that the status of monthly subscription is success, and what is the original price, and this will be displayed. So this way the user can subscribe to a particular model. If it's through CC bill payment gateway, then he can enter the details, billing address and the card number, and the CVV number, and then click on place your order. Then the payment will happen through CC bill, and again it will come under the payment history from here. So it will also say if it's through Stripe or CC bill. So you can also see some transactions through CC bill here. You can see this. So this way the user can subscribe to a model on the platform, and he can also view his subscribed models from this particular subscription list. So it will display all the models that he has subscribed upon a monthly subscription, early subscription. He can also choose and filter the models, and it will display the subscriptions accordingly. Suppose it's Zacking or Anna Cherry. Let's take any one example. um, there is no subscription. They can filter, basically they can filter from here and view the subscriptions. So let me filter by Olivia. So it will display her, this particular user has subscribed to her. So he can filter, basically he can filter and look the models he has subscribed, and he can check if it's a monthly subscription, and if it's active or inactive, etc. He can also go and cancel the subscription anytime from here. So this way the user can subscribe to a model and manage his subscriptions.